solid downpour for the first day of fishing. You excited?
I'm excited. We're in Kasilof?
We'll get it right.
I don't know. We're going to the Kasilof River. Today's the day. Chasing the kings. Heading to the boat launch.
Ben,
Evan.
nice to meet you.
Ben? Dan, nice to meet you, man.
Ben, nice to meet you.
So what we're doing today, we're going down the Kasilof River and we're fishing for king salmon. It's kind of the trophy fish here in Alaska, especially in the river.
Let's go.
We're gonna be searching for them, and then once we hit them, we'll be anchoring down, fishing kind of hard.
A little bit of salmon roe eggs, dipping in some grill powder here.
Click your button up, now you're good to go.
Go, Chef, go. This is your moment.
Got him. Man, he was fighting. That was awesome.
Yeah. Getting right to the end of our drift, which that's prime time, baby. That's the good spot. And we were sitting right there. Next thing we know, front rod hammered down, and from there it's chaotic. Everyone started getting their lines in. We were reeling it in. Chef got on that bad boy, fought it all the way down to right here, and we got him in the net.
I don't know, I'm like shaking right now.
Pretty fun. Woo!
Waiting. We had Chef get his fish, his first one, and we're trying to find some more right now. But we're doing our best, so that's good.
Yeah, we switched up, tried to do a little color difference here. Changed from anise, a little bit of krill powder, a little anise. See if we can't make a difference and trigger a little bite here in the late afternoon.
Day one in the books.
Day one.
We had a couple strikes, a catch. We'll try again tomorrow.
Try again tomorrow. Let's go get it.